How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a cryptocurrency which still has an insanely high potential to blow up, especially towards the next bull run. I believe that this crypto will be hitting an all-time high for sure. Of course, as well as looking at this crypto, we're going to be looking at the features of this cryptocurrency and of course explaining what this cryptocurrency actually is. Of course, before we do get started within the video, I'd like to say, of course, make sure you do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And guys, like I say every single video, make sure you know that this is not financial advice. This is strictly just for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you go out and do your own research and come to your own conclusion before investing into any coins that I mentioned in my videos. With that out of the way, let's get straight into it. So if you haven't guessed it already, today's video is going to be about Hedera, or HBAR for short. We're on coinmarketcap.com here, and the first part of the video will just be looking at the sort of statistics about HBAR, and then we'll get into the sort of all great features as well as what HBAR actually is. So the current price per HBAR token is just over 5 cents per coin, and you can see it's currently down just 0.63% on the day, which is absolutely normal fluctuation in the cryptocurrency market. If we look at the fully diluted market cap, you can see that it's actually got a hugely substantial amount of market cap here. You can see it's over almost $2.6 billion fully diluted market cap, which is absolutely insane. I mean, I'm not surprised that it has a market cap this high, just from the fact that, which we'll cover in a second here, the amount of great features and problems that this coin does actually solve. I believe that this is a great market cap for this, and it's well deserved market cap. However, like I said at the start of the video, though, I do believe that this coin has a much higher potential to explode that fully diluted market cap even higher, in the next few months or towards the next bull run for sure. We can see that the 24-hour volume is just over $38 million. Again, super high. But like I keep saying, this coin has insane features and it's well deserved with this volume. If we look at the monthly chart here, you can see that it's recently had a little bit of a spike up in price. I just believe that this is from the amount of people who are starting to look at HBAR or Hedera. I've seen it a lot on YouTube. More and more people are starting to discover this cryptocurrency. I mean, it's not that small of a cryptocurrency. However, there's not a huge amount of talk around it. However, recently there has been slightly, it has been starting to get a little bit more popularity. If we look at the all-time chart here, you can see how massively this did actually pump in the 2021 bull run. You can see it hit a all-time high of just over 47 cents per coin. Of course, ever since then, it's been fairly stagnant in the bear market, as per most cryptocurrencies. However, you can see that the current price per coin is just only, like I said at the start of the video, 5 cents per coin, which just absolutely is absolutely insane. Because if you look at the fully diluted market cap and realize how big this market cap actually is, but then if you look back at the price and look at the all-time high, you would actually realize how much potential this coin still actually does have, even with this absolutely huge market cap, which is absolutely crazy. You basically got a lower risk coin, however still a great amount of potential to, almost 10x your money. Of course, I do believe that this coin should be hitting its all-time high in the next bull run, and hopefully over its all-time high in the next bull run. So if it does actually hit its all-time high or over the all-time high, you'll be seeing, like I said, over 10x returns on a cryptocurrency with a fully diluted market cap this huge. It's just absolutely insane. Okay, so next part of the video, though, I guess we will get into what Hedera or HBAR actually is. So we're on the official website here. We scroll to the top of the page here. You can see that it says here on the official website, the open source public ledger and it's got for all the different purposes which it actually serves. You can see powering native Web3 ecosystems and institutional applications for the next generation of the web. With Hedera or HBAR, if we scroll down here on the page, I believe that we can sort of sum up Hedera in sort of three main features that Hedera actually does. So the first one which Hedera does actually focus on is Web3 ecosystem applications, and it's got a few different examples of the applications that are already running on the Hedera platform, which is really good to see. You guys know when I'm looking at cryptocurrencies, I like to see proof of cryptocurrencies already. If they say they're going to do something, I want to see proof that they are already doing it, or at least that they're going to start doing it very soon. With Hedera, you can see they've already got applications on their Web3 ecosystem, which is super awesome to see. The next thing they've got is also enterprise applications. So they're going to be helping businesses, which again, this is super awesome to see, because they're actually going to be working with businesses, not only small business, but absolutely huge businesses such as LG. You guys know, I'm sure you guys know about LG, one of the biggest electronics manufacturers, biggest electronics companies out there, and they're basically going to be working with businesses and companies, even massive companies like LG, to basically sort of make this help them with their supply chain, and just sort of make it more efficient, which is super awesome to see. I guess the final and third sort of feature about Hedera, which I guess is sort of very normal with cryptocurrencies, is of course Hedera, they want to be used as a cryptocurrency or used as a currency as well. And they've also got, some very beneficial things about using them as a cryptocurrency. You can see here they've got low cost, immediate settlement, massively scalable, fairest access and ordering, and EVM tooling and libraries. I mean, you guys know, like I say in most videos, there are sort of buzzwords in the cryptocurrency space which cryptocurrencies sort of strive to be, or if they're hitting them, it's super awesome to see. So of course you've got low cost transaction fees, and scalable are sort of main two, like I said, buzzwords in the cryptocurrency space, which a lot of people do like to look out for. I believe that having low cost transactions is super important in a cryptocurrency, because of course if the cost per transaction is super high, no one's going to want to use it, because they're, if they want to send over something like $10-20 or something in that currency and it costs them $30-40-50 to send it, of course they're not going to use this cryptocurrency and they're going to switch to alternatives that are going to be, a much lower cost. So as you can see here, the average cost of Hedera is just 1/10 of a penny per transaction, which is super awesome to see. They're also, as it says here, massively scalable, which is also, very important in cryptocurrency, because of course as more people start to use the cryptocurrency needs to be scalable in order to cater to every single user's needs, of course. They've also got EVM tooling as well, which is also super unique for Hedera as well. If we scroll back up onto the Hedera, it also says a few more different use cases and ecosystems in the Hedera marketplace as well, or the blockchain even, which is also super awesome to see. Like I said, payments, they got DeFi, NFTs, sustainability, which is another key buzzword into the crypto space. They got decentralized logs and decentralized identity as well, which is big around, KYC and all of those things as well. If we head over to the Hedera Twitter page here, you can see they've got over 300,000 followers. So again, not only have they got a substantial market cap, but they've also got a substantial, huge community behind Hedera as well as also having a super strong team, which is constantly, improving and developing Hedera as well. You can see that on their Twitter page. They are also super active, which is always nice to see as well. I guess the final part of the video now will just be my personal price prediction, and my price prediction on this coin is of course bullish, if you haven't guessed it already. I'm sure you would have guessed from the thumbnail or whatever, but I do believe that Hedera is sort of going to be one of the big cryptocurrencies in the future, for sure. And like I said, I do believe in the next bull run that Hedera will actually hit over its all-time high for sure, as more and more people start to get into cryptocurrency, as well as, I believe in the 2021 bull run, of course there was a huge spike up with people getting invested. However, ever since then, of course, it has been dropped. However, I still believe that the people who actually did invest into the 2021 bull run are still, they're still around. They might not be invested in the cryptocurrency now. However, the people who knew about cryptocurrency, I believe that the next time when cryptocurrency starts to pump again, I do believe that these people will not want to sort of miss out on the next bull run. They will be FOMO'd sort of into the cryptocurrency as well, which is why I believe that the next bull run will be even more big, or even more huge than the previous bull run for sure. Apart from that, guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. Of course, if you did enjoy, make sure you hit that like button down below, as well as subscribe as well if you are new around here. And of course, leave a comment down below. I like to look at comments, read them, and answer them as well. Apart from that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.